Hi, and welcome to another EMIX web lesson. Many and much. The important thing about these words is that even though they all mean the same thing, they're used differently because of grammar. So that's why we have to focus on grammar. A large is used for singular words. So you would say, for example, a large thing. A lot of is for plural words. So for example, if we use the same word, you would say a lot of things because it has to be plural. Many also uses plural words, so it's many things. Much has the same thing. You have to write things with an S. Now let's look at the word. Audience is the main word we have to look at. Now the meaning of audience is a group of people, a lot of people. Even though this word means a lot of people, in the English language, if you look at the word audience grammatically, it is considered a singular word. So audience is the same thing as thing, not things. And the only word that can use a singular word is answer choice 1. So you'd have to say a large audience. The other choices just don't make sense because the grammar is wrong. Now let's look at number 2. The catalog that this year's model is slightly cheaper than last year's. Now if you look at this grammatically, these are actually all pretty correct. Catalog is singular, so the verb that goes with it has to be singular too. And these verbs are all singular. The main problem is that while these words all do have the same meaning, they sometimes have little nuances that you have to pay attention to. If you say tells, talks, or speaks, it means that a person or an animal or a living thing is actually opening their mouth and giving words to you. However, we are not talking about a living thing. We are talking about a catalog, a magazine, a type of book. In this situation, the only appropriate answer is the word says. Even though they all have the same meaning, in the English language, says can be used for both living and non-living things. But these words are usually only for living things. And because we are referring to a catalog, the word that would make the most sense is the word says. Thank you.